Hello guys, this is Chef Stas from Ask Chef channel, and today I would like to show you a special recipe of hummus. Not the classic one with the chickpeas, but a new one with the pumpkin puree and white beans. How does it feel for you? Let's check it out, let's start cooking! First, let's make pumpkin puree. Cut it, peel it, chop it, put it in a saucepan, cover it with water, cook until it softens, drain the water, mash it, and pass through a sieve if necessary. For hummus, put in a blender white beans, pumpkin puree, 2 tablespoons of sesame paste, 1 clove of garlic, 1 teaspoon hot paprika, 1 teaspoon cumin, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, a couple of pinches of salt, and 2 tablespoons olive oil. Pass it in a blender. Try the taste if you like it. And it's ready to be served. Drizzle with olive oil. Serve with fresh vegetables or bread. Decorate with ground hot paprika and herbs. Bon appetit! Give video a like and subscribe to the channel if you have enjoyed it. Bye bye!